Brush sponge cleaner. This solid cleanser deep cleans sponges and brushes, helping to remove makeup and dirt. The cleanser includes a travel-friendly case. How to use. Wet sponge or makeup brush and massage across cleanser, creating a lather. Rinse with warm water and set aside to dry. Allow cleanser to fully dry before placing back into travel case. 100% cruelty-free vegan. Proud to be 100% vegan and cruelty-free worldwide. Because kindness is chic. Free from. All e.l.f. products are 100% free from phthalate, parabens, nonylphenol, ethoxylates, triclosan, triclocarban, and hydroquinone. Beauty for all. e.l.f. Cosmetics provides professional quality products at get real prices, because we believe beauty should be accessible to every eye, lip, and face. Top reviews from the United States. Great for cleaning brushes. This product lasts a long time, cleans brushes quickly and removes all makeup stains on the bristles. Your brushes smell clean when you use them. And it is great for traveling because it comes in a sealable case. Will be purchasing again when I run out.